Hello guys, welcome back to another cooking video. So it's gonna be my first cooking video, and today after seeing thumbnail or might seeing the title you might have guessed what I'll be cooking today. Not a big deal it is. I will just cook these corns. So yeah, these corns I just found in my storeroom and then I peeled them off, their hairs and all, and then the hairs were left so I just what burn them in the fire. Then I will put these in it. Okay, so if they will not come, what you have to do, break into two pieces. How? Let me show you. Like this, you have to break up them and then put it here. Same goes for this. After you just put them in cooker, so you have to add water. How much? Let me show you. You will put a filter water and you have to fill it halfway. So yeah, let it get filled. So they got a half. Yes. So what I will do, I will just get them wet and I'll just what? I'll get a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt means very less salt. Here, this much I will put it here. This. Then close the lid off and then get it back so that mom did not notice. And then put this lid off this. So after putting the lid, this what we call, yes, the pressure cooker main part, CT, which we call in Hindi. Might be here only. Let me search for it. Where is CT? I think here I will get, because here is all utensils kept. So yeah, after finding, oh, I just found it. Here it is. Just put it in it, and most important thing, just burn the gas up and then put this cooker in this over the gas. Okay, so how much you have to wait, let me tell you. So after the two pressure half came from this city or this small thing, then you have to just what, take the lid off and let it cool down, and then you can serve and enjoy. So yeah, this is the best method of cooking the maize. Or if you want some roasted corn, you can just roast them over the gas. So bye bye.